Madam, see anything, leave white concealer alone. Leave white concealer alone. I see how it's looking. You don't want to be seeing all these things. And when you know you're a beginner, what are you using white concealer to do? Eh? So today, you'll be learning how to conceal your eyebrows as a beginner. So be needing shade that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. All right, this is what we'll be using to conceal my eyebrows. And when you know you're a beginner, don't rush. I don't know where you're rushing. Are you a rusher? Stop rushing. We'll just calmly do this thing now. As I'm doing it, you'll be doing it. All right, let's go. We'll place it at the back of your hand. Don't need too much product. Use your flat brush or angle brush, anyone that you have. I'm using a flat brush for this. As a beginner, you don't want to rush. Start from here, from your brow bones. Make it straight. Just be drawing. Are you seeing it? Don't rush. When you are placing, you draw down. Try not to make mistake. Are you see what I'm doing? Don't use this your concealer and start from the beginning. No, don't want to do that. So this is what you need to do. Press it down. Then you go in with your blending brush. This blending brush. You blend it out. This is how your eyebrow should be looking when you are done. Not like this. Hope you've heard it. Save this video for later. Bye.